Do you know how much a Power BI developer can earn? It is in thousand or lakhs. You might be shocked. It's way higher than you think. And in this video, I'll tell you not just the average salary, but also how can you reach the top paying job. Watch till the end, and because I'll give you three powerful tips that can boost your salary to the next level. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data GV. Today we are talking about one of the hottest career right now, Power BI developer, and most importantly, how much money you can actually make in this field. So let's jump on it. So first, who is Power BI developer? Power BI developer build a dashboard and report that help companies like better business decision. It's a key role in the data analytics and it is in huge demand worldwide. So now coming to the number, let's talk about the number. So how much salary can make a Power BI developer? So if you are entry level, like having experience 0 to 2 years, you can get a 4 to 7 LPA. If you have a mid level experience 3 to 5 years, you can get a 8 to 15 LPA. And if you are a senior developer more than 5 years, then you will definitely get a 18 to 25 LPA. But your salary depend on multiple factors. First is location, if you are in a metro city or tier 2 city, so that also affect your salary. Skills, if you have a experience Power BI along with SQL, Python and R, that will give you like better salary. If you have a certification, PL 300 exam, definitely it will help you to get 10 to 20% more salary. And it's also depend on your like which company you are applying for. It's whether it's a product based or service based, that kind of factors affect your salary range. Now I'll tell you three tips that can boost your salary. So what you need to do, you need to focus on three things only. Learn SQL and DAX in deeply. You need to master data modeling, like how star schema and snowflake schema works. Third, you need to build a real-time project and showcase them on LinkedIn or GitHub. That will get you noticed faster. So now you know how much salary a Power BI developer earn and how to reach on the top paying range. So let me know which salary range you are targeting this year. Comment below. And if you want me to make a video on how to crack a Power BI interview, please comment below, hit the like button and share this video with your friend and subscribe the channel to Data.